2026 just started. Do you feel energized to start up any business? Yes. If you do, this video is for you. If you have been thinking about starting a business in 2026 but you feel like you don't have any money, you don't have a shop, you don't have experience, well, don't worry. This video is for you. Okay, I am going to share 10 simple businesses you can start right away, even with small money, from home, or just using your phone. I'll be sharing how much money you need approximately for each business so you can plan accordingly and start without any stress. These businesses are practical, beginner friendly, and you can grow into something very big if you stay consistent. Yes, so grab your pen, take notes, and let's dive into this because 2026 is the perfect year for you to start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Vesi Kawesi is my name, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Well, this YouTube channel is about business and lifestyle, and in today's video we are going to be sharing the 10 simple businesses you can start up in 2026. Online reselling is one of the easiest businesses you can actually start up in 2026. Yeah, you don't need to have a shop. All you need is your phone, your internet, and to get some suppliers. You can post the products on WhatsApp, on TikTok, on Instagram, and even here on YouTube. When someone makes an order, then you should be in position to deliver to them. You can sell these phones, or clothes, or these baby items, the bags, kitchen things, and all that. You actually start small, but at the end of it, you can grow bigger and bigger. This business is very powerful because you create once and you can sell as many times as you can. You can sell an ebook, a guide, a checklist, or even a planner. Yeah, for example, if you know how to import, if you know how to cook or to manage money, you can actually turn that knowledge into a digital product. You don't need any packaging, you don't need any transport. All you need is just to be in position to make these online sales. Yeah. Content creator. Yes, I think most of us are very familiar with this. And you guys know how much money people are making from creation, from being content creators. In 2026, content is currency. You don't need to be famous. You just need to be consistent. Your business journeys or a skill on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, so many social media handles. So with time, you can earn from ads, you can earn from brand deals, and from your own products. Yes, start with your phone. Perfection is not required in this kind of business. You just need to start. I think many people don't actually realize that you can make money from this kind of business. Well, in 2026, at least, if you can give it a try, I think you can make some money here. You don't need money to import goods to make money here. You can actually work as an agent. Your job here is to connect to buyers and suppliers, to handle communication, because many people want to buy things but they don't know where they can buy them. You can earn commission per kilo or per order. You can just charge people depending on the order they are making, or per kilo. If you understand China or Dubai or any other country, many people do importation from Dubai, Turkey, USA, Canada, and all that. You only need to earn a commission. So this business has big potential. Yes, guys, yeah, I'm into this kind of business. Yeah, because I have a company in China. My company is about international trade. I'm actually putting all my efforts into this. Yes, I post my goods on my social media handles, and you can make an order. When you make an order, then I also buy it for you and then import it for you. Yes, I also give some services, like you want to buy something but you don't know, or you don't know how much it costs. I charge you per consultation of services. Yes, and I think everyone can try it. It's a very simple kind of business. I didn't put any capital or any money. Yeah, you just need to have your phone, have internet, and all that. Mobile services, I think, are one of the escalating businesses that are going to go higher and higher in 2026. Mobile services are businesses you take to the customer. For example, mobile car wash, mobile salon, or phone repair. People are too busy in this kind of life. They're too busy to do some things. They're too busy to come to a salon. They're too busy to go for a phone repair. But they need the service. So, given that people are so busy, you can actually become that mobile person to offer this kind of service. You don't need a shop, just skills and basic equipments. You need. People are getting too busy in this life, but not only too busy, they're getting too lazy. If you can cook, you already have a business idea. Start from your kitchen. Sell packaged lunch, snacks, baked items, or local foods. I think people are so obsessed with the local foods. Even here in China, sometimes I crave, like, I want to eat my country food. Yeah, but there's nowhere you're buying. There's nowhere you're buying it because there's a gap in that. Well, start with small orders, maintain cleanliness, and let your customers advertise for you. You have a skill, you can sell it online. Skills like video editing, graphic design, writing, or social media management are in high demand right now. Yes, I have seen many YouTubers actually give video editing classes, graphic design classes. Yes, why not? If you have skills in this, you can actually start a business out of this. The print on demand business is actually another business that is escalating in 2026. It has been there, but I think many people don't know, like, they can make so much money from this kind of business. It allows you to sell custom products without even keeping any stock. Yes, you can design t-shirts, you can design mugs or capes. Yes, and your supplier prints only when there is an order. Yeah, this helps you to reduce on the risks or even the startup cost. But remember, creativity and good marketing are very key in this kind of business. This candle, the soap and skincare business, skincare business, yes, is escalating, is also on a high rise. Yes, apparently people want to take care of themselves. People love skincare products, candles, soaps, skincare. These are low capital businesses with high demand. Yes, you can start small, you can learn basic formulas, you can brand nicely, and you can sell them online. Packaging and consistency make a big difference here. You don't need to be a professor to teach. You are one step ahead of someone. You can coach them, you can train people in business, you can do content creation, you can do importation or life skills. Use Zoom, use WhatsApp or physical classes. Knowledge is a business. Yes, you don't have to have much to coach someone. Even one small tiny skill that you have, you can use it to make money. You can use it to coach. Thank you very much. These are our 10 simple businesses you can actually start in 2026. Tell me, which kind of business do you think you can start from the ones I have talked about? Bye bye.